So up next, we're making the Mon Ami Old Fashioned. It's just steak-and old fashioned, nothing too crazy, not trying to reinvent the wheel here. We're gonna put a dollop of honey into the glass. That's our sweetener. Just a little bit, not a whole much. About to the tip of the bar spoon, I like to put a little 5 spice on there, Chinese 5 spice. And then, because it's an old fashioned, I'm gonna add some Angostura bitters. I like to do about 4 dashes. All right. Now, I forgot to bring ruby port. So right now I have some sweet vermouth. Works either way. I'm gonna do a 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. And we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Garrison Brothers small batch. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients together, put a few ice cubes in there, help for the dilution. Top it off. And now we'll take a orange peel. Press the oils around the rim, spin it in, call it a day. Mon Ami Old Fashioned.